welcome back to my channel, Will's Kitchen Table. Today guys, I'm making some fish taco. It's something quick I'm putting together. I'm gonna pop it right in the oven. So I'm gonna get some spices and get this fish going and show you guys how I make my fish taco. Guys, it's a fusion, so you guys can use whatever spices you have to make it. I'm just gonna show you guys what I put on mine today. Alright, so you guys stay tuned. We're gonna make fish taco, guys. Okay guys, so let's get the fish taco going. Guys, this is the fish I got here. I'm using some cod. This is roughly about a pound, I would say. So I cut them up in small pieces, guys. Take a look, really small pieces. So I want them to fit in the taco. So they're nice pieces, nice size, I should say. So okay, let's get this marinade, guys, because it's a quick thing I'm doing for dinner tonight, guys. You guys just jump in with me and let's marinate this fish right here. So guys, I got a teaspoon of garlic powder here, a teaspoon of onion powder. Just gonna shake this on. And I got a quarter teaspoon of salt here, guys. Going on the fish. Because I got fish spices here, guys, and this has salt in it, so you don't want it to be too salty. And this is just a tablespoon I'm putting on of the fish spice, guys. And I got right here, guys, some Old Bay. I got a teaspoon of Old Bay, guys, and a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper. That is going right on the fish, guys. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna mix this baby together. No oil needed in this. Just mix this all up. Get it coated nicely. Beautiful, that's looking good. You don't want to break up your fish. Cod is pretty firm anyway, guys, so I mean it's fine mixing it. Some fish is really delicate, you can't do that with it, but cod is pretty firm, so you know, you can do that. Okay, get rid of my gloves here, guys. And the next thing, I got some flour here, guys. 1 cup of flour. Half a cup of cornmeal going right inside. Beautiful. Then guys, I got a teaspoon of oregano. Teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder going in the flour also, guys. You need the flavor to go up, guys. So, right here, paprika, 1 tablespoon. Cayenne pepper, quarter of a teaspoon. Going in the flour, guys. And I'm just gonna mix that together with my whisk right here. All right, next step, guys. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, half a cup of cream. Just gonna mix that together. Alright, guys, I'm gonna get the oven heated right now and we're gonna get them right in the oven. I'm gonna show you guys how I bread these and get them in the oven. Alright, stay tuned. Okay guys, let's get the fish in the oven. So I'm gonna pour the mayo and the cream over this, over the fish right now, guys. Mix that right in. Like that. And then guys, it's going right in the flour. Right in the flour. I'm just gonna mix it with my hands. Lots of cornmeal in this, guys, to make my fish taco. Alright guys, I got some oil right here. 1/3 of a cup of oil. I'm gonna throw them right in it, guys. Shake them off. Put them right in there. And guys, it's gonna be an oven fried. Look at that baby. Voila. That's looking good, guys. Guys, where is it going? Right on the pan. All right. right on the pan, guys. And we're gonna throw it right in the oven. Spread them out nicely. They're looking good. Beautiful. And I put the oven, guys, at 400, high temperature. You want to get it nice, crisp on the outside, guys. And the fish, it cooks really fast. You see these small pieces? So it will cook fast, guys. And the oven is at 400, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. We're going to get them in the oven right now. We're going to have some fish taco together. All right, guys? So it's going in the oven. The oven is hot right now, so I'm gonna get these tacos going. The fish is in, guys. This should take roughly 25 minutes and it should be done. The oven is at 400 convection I'm using, guys. You can use whatever you have in your oven. As long as you bump it up to 400, it should be fine. Set the timer for 25 minutes, guys. Guys, I'm making some avocado dressing here to go with my salad tonight with the fish tacos. So I got 2 avocado in here, guys, and I got a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. I'm putting it inside. I mean, you guys don't have to use black pepper, guys. And guys, I got some rice wine vinegar here. I got 3 tablespoons in here, guys. I put a tablespoon of water in there just to tone down the acidity to the vinegar. But I love rice wine vinegar. And guys, I'm gonna pour about a 1/4 cup of olive oil in here, guys. I just use my hand. You guys can measure it. There you go. I know how much I'm putting in. And I got a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And I got 1 lime right here, guys. Squeeze that right in. Squeeze all the juice out, guys. The best way to squeeze the lime with your hands, you get all the juice out. Look at that. And this is my avocado dressing, guys. And the lime juice actually help avocado from turning black, guys. Nice. Get all the pulp inside. Looking good. Let's blend that together. Okay, guys, I'm adding some onions to this, guys. It's a 1/4 cup of chopped onion, guys. Top back on there. All right. Nice and liquid color. And that's the avocado dressing, guys. That's going with the salad tonight. You guys will see when I'm pouring it over my salad. Don't. Okay, guys. This is the magic right here. I'm gonna pull this out. You guys take a look at that oven fried fish. It's going in my taco. Wow. Guys. Wow. Take a look at that. Nice and crispy on the outside here, guys. Wow. And perfectly cooked. Guys, mouth watering. Okay guys, it's time to try it. These are nice and crispy. Wow. Get a little bit of lettuce, guys, on top of that. A bit of tomato. Alright. Sprinkle a little bit of cheese on it, guys. And this is the best part, guys. Some salsa. It's not homemade, guys. As I tell you guys, it's a quick dinner I'm making. And this is it right here. Put a little bit of this avocado dressing right on top of here too. It's like a guacamole. Voila, guys. I'm gonna be dancing. Wow. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Take a look at it. Beautiful. You can taste that nice crisp coming from the fish, guys. The lime from the avocado dressing, the salsa. It stands out. Guys, you guys gotta try this at home. This is how you make your oven fried fish, guys. Nice and crispy. You guys try it at home. Let me know. Guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, share it, share it, share it, guys. Please do some comments, guys. See you in the next vlog.